Hi guys, and welcome to new Rich Smartphone Repairs video. In this video, we will restore this broken Huawei Nova 3. We will replace this broken glass and broken back panel. We can start with removing rear glass. For that job we will need some heat to soften the adhesive under it. Then we will need to use some plastic tools to cut through the adhesive. We will need to pay attention to ribbon cable that goes to fingerprint scanner because it's very fragile and we can damage it very easily. At first I tried to use suction cup at the clean part of the back glass, but it didn't work, so I move on to broken part. I find out that broken part is easier to get into. I use screwdriver to make a hole for plastic pick, and then it was easier to use plastic pick to cut through the adhesive and remove the back panel. Now that we successfully removed the back panel from the phone, we can put it to the right side and disconnect ribbon cable for the fingerprint scanner. For that I will need to remove 2 screws and 1 metal bracket. Now that we have back panel fully disconnected and removed, we can disconnect the battery and move on to speaker assembly. To remove the speaker, I will need to remove 9 screws and then pry it out. Now that we have speaker out, we can move on to disconnecting the display. For that, I will need to unscrew 6 more screws and remove one bracket. Now we can disconnect the display and proceed to heat it up and remove it. As you can see, display removal part was pretty hard because the display was so shattered, but after a lot of time and a lot of heat we finally got it. Now we can remove it and test out the new panel. Remember guys, you need to always test out the new panel if it's fully working, and in a minute you will see that mine isn't, so I need to contact the seller and figure it out. As you can see, I have some difficulties connecting display connector. I don't know why it was a little harder and didn't want to go to place, because it should snap on very easily. Now that I was successful with connecting the display connector, we can power up the phone and see that the display is damaged. It arrived already damaged, touch isn't working and display has lines through it, to the left side. I contacted the seller and we agreed on a full refund, so wait for future episode on finishing this phone. If you like what you saw, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on any of that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Rich Smartphone Repairs. Link would be in the description down below.